Alright, already into the Father's Day weekend, June 17th, 2023. Tyler Hayes here, coming to you from Ladysmith with a video lined up for you. We'll have a northbound on the way, and this will be an extra that is actually on the way. We will have the X403 on the way with a solo MEI rebuild of the 3122 to lead it, since leaving Stevens Point since 12:22 this afternoon, as it will make the short haul up to Pekegama Yard in Superior. So this could be him right now. The extra 403. Let's check him out on the roll by as we lean back and get him. Let's go. Gate drop. Sure enough, extra 403, the MEI rebuild of 3122. It was previously GECX 2033. Here's 3122 all by himself. Extra 403. CRY 22352. That is quite the one-unit wonder for the extra 403, as it will once again head northbound to Pekegama up in Superior. How cool is that to have a one-unit wonder on that train and no DPU required? So that'll do it for the extra 403 and for this video at Ladysmith. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time, and I'll see you down the main line. Tyler Hayes out.